Are you producing or trading products in the EU? Then, from 5th January 2021, you'll need to have registered your products in the SCIP database. What is SCIP? This is the database where all products need to be registered which contain more than 0.1% substances of very high concern. The European Chemicals Agency, ECHA, instituted this decree to simplify recycling processes and take care of consumers. But how does this affect you as a business manager? To stay compliant, you'll need to register all of your products which contain SVHC, substances of very high concern. Therefore, you will need to register with the agency and enter every single product using a particular database format. The ECHA provides you official instructions containing 81 pages to help you navigate the procedure. Alternatively, you can buy an expensive software solution with your own database, which requires additional resources for implementation and maintenance. Stop! Is that really necessary? You just need a simple solution so that you can focus your real business again. At ebm-papst, we had the same issue. As the world's leading producer of fans and electric motors, we've been setting global standards since 1963. So with over 20,000 products, we are definitely affected as well. Therefore, we developed an easy-to-use tool to meet the requirements of the SCIP decree, SCIP-express. Our digital subsidiary, ebm-papst Neo, has made this smart solution available to companies like yours. We developed the SCIP-express to make compliance simple and easy. With just a few clicks, we will take care of your governmental registration. You'll also get the current list of SVHC substances at any time, as well as further relevant information. We use Excel to record the data, so you can work with SCIP-express using your regular desktop tools. All you need to do is enter your products, upload the list, and you will receive the SCIP numbers automatically. The whole process is provided at an affordable price, and depending on your demand, for less than €1 per dossier. For more information, visit our website at www.ebmpapst.com/skip.